Activating voice chat in Roblox allows you to communicate with other players during gameplay. Here's how to do it. Game compatibility. Ensure that the game you're playing on Roblox supports voice chat, as not all games have this feature. Settings. Open the game settings menu, usually accessible from the in-game menu or the game's user interface. Voice chat option. Look for an option related to voice chat or communication settings within the game's settings menu. Toggle on. Turn on the voice chat option. This might involve clicking a checkbox, toggling a switch, or selecting an option. Microphone access. Ensure that Roblox has access to your microphone. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions. Test mic. If available, use the microphone testing feature to ensure your voice is audible and clear. Adjust volume. You might be able to adjust the volume levels of voice chat and other in-game sounds. Mute and unmute. During gameplay, you can often mute or unmute specific players' voices using in-game controls. Quality. Use a good quality microphone to ensure your voice is clear and easy to understand.